वेलकम बैक टू द अमीर अकेडमी। और आज हम बात करेंगे क्रिटिकली थिंकिंग पार्ट ऑफ द टेस्ट की, और इसके एक एग्जाम्पल देखने वाले। सो read the following passage. Coronavirus is killing people across the globe. Reported cases were rising a couple of months ago, but now they are showing some decline. People are developing awareness about how to avoid getting infected. On top of that, people are now more willing to get vaccinated than a few months ago. The results are somehow heartwarming. Statement: Coronavirus is deadly. People want to get rid of the virus as soon as possible. Vaccination centers are now more crowded. अब देखो, जैसे कि वायरस इसमें बताया है कि वायरस is killing people, it is definitely deadly. So the statement 1 is true. People are now more aware, so they are taking more precautions and they want to get rid of it. So statement 2 is also true. As more people are willing to get vaccinated, so vaccination centers then they are getting more crowded. So statement 3 is also true. So हम choose करेंगे option A, that the statements are true.